Always remember, love is sweet and love is kind, and it's always on our mind. Pollys World, Pollys World. Hi, good day, guys. Welcome. So, my baby and I, we just got done baking a bacon choc. You know how to no, a bacon choc. No, not bacon choc. This is what we have is a Caribbean dish, bake and saltfish buljol. So guys, we did that. We are going to open in a word of prayer, and then we are going to get chowing down. You want to go ahead and pray, honey? Go ahead.
Heavenly Father, thank you today. Thank you for blessings. Lord, we ask for your guidance through these turbulent times.
Yes, Lord.
Bless the hands that prepared the food. In Jesus' name
Yes,
we pray.
Lord. Amen.
Amen.
So guys, I would like you guys, I want to link a video right at the top here so you guys could go see the video of me and my husband and I making the bake, and the other video was making the sham, the buljol. It's beautiful. Try it, guys. You've got to try it. We're about to just turn this into mukbang and have a great meal on tonight. So I'm having some ice in my soda.
So a whole lot of blood, sweat, and tears going into this meal today.
It was a lot of work, I must say. It was a lot of work, guys. It was a lot of work. You cannot go wrong with that. And I'm having some butter. I'm going to have some butter inside the bake. So you can put this to the side when you're through with it, darling. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, it cut nice, honey. Yeah, guys, this was a coconut bake. Look at that. Look at that bake, guys. Look at that. It's pretty soft and decent, and I'm going to put some butter inside it.
I was especially excited because of the coconut.
Yeah, the coconut. Yeah. So, look at that. I'm putting a spread of butter. Now, you can make this, and you can have it with buljol. You can have it with bacon choc. You can have it with, like we're having it here. We're having it with saltfish buljol. It is so good. Like, it's a typical thing that in my country we eat. Here you go, darling.
Thank you, my love.
Yeah. So, baby, what do you think about this whole situation with the whole place locked down?
It's some serious stuff, man. It's gonna get worse before it gets better, they say.
Guys, and as usual, I'm having a Fanta grape soda. I like orange and grape soda, yeah. So yeah, babes.
I am enjoying time with the family.
Are you really?
I am enjoying kind of everything, just slowing down a little bit.
Yeah,
just kind of kicking back and relaxing, and not so much rush on the go.
But you're working from home now, right?
Yeah, I'm working from home. So
look at that, guys. Look at that. You guys got to enjoy that. Oh my God.
So this is how you do it.
I need some hot sauce. Like, this is how I want to eat it. I need some hot sauce on this. I think I want to put some hot sauce on there.
Yeah, I think it's hot enough with the jalapenos already, no?
No. Can I tell you, up to me, I put like 2 or 3 jalapenos inside it. Thank you, darling. My baby, so she brought. She heard us asking for it. You want some? You want some?
A little bit. Let me do it.
Let me put it for you.
Thank you. I'll put it in my... Let me do a heavy handed with the hot sauce.
I love hot sauce, guys. So my daughter had me changing my hair. So this is the look. You guys like it? I hope you guys like it. It's different. A lot more work. The straight hair. So do you like working from home, hon?
Well, I have mixed emotions about it. Saves me a lot of time. Obviously, it saves me some money on some gas and some tolls. You know, the job I do now is a lot different than what I used to do before when I was working it. It's a lot different now, so I mean, I do miss some camaraderie with the guys.
Anyway, so do you like working here at the house? Or you prefer to go into the job?
I'm on the fence. I really am on the fence. I like the camaraderie at work with the guys and the other people in the office.
This is good, honey. Let me just cut you. Go ahead.
So I do like that part. So I do miss that part. But I also like being home, being flexible, and not having to spend so much travel time. And then as soon as you're done work, that's it. You're done. Honey, I'm home.
You like that?
So that's it. I mean, it reminds me of the, you know, what I used to do before.
So, you would say you prefer now
Yeah.
before back in the day.
It's a lot better now. It's a lot better now.
But personally, my whole business shut down. My whole business shut down.
Ain't nobody coming in?
No, it's not that. I have a lot of clients who take cruise, who are elderly. I mean, I have young clients, but I have a lot more mature audience. And they are like, trust me, they ain't coming out because they kind of find out that they are the ones that is at most risk. So they're not coming out. A lot of they tell me, how about rebook?
Yeah, they're not supposed to be coming out.
So I had a lot of people rebook for later in the year. I heard a lot of my clients push me down to June, push me down to July. I'm like, wow. So it is what it is. I really hope the government comes through with the stimulus that they are saying, because that will help us small business a lot. Like, listen, I mean, we need help. You know what I mean? We need help.
The government's just a disaster. These guys can't get their act together.
So you don't have no hope of them finding the way through?
I have hope. Eventually they'll fight their way through, but I mean, they need to do it
so
now.
Are you saying that they shouldn't help the small businesses?
It should definitely help the small businesses.
And the regular people?
And definitely help the working people.
Oh, okay.
The working people and small businesses are those that are going to get impacted the most. They're getting impacted now. They're getting impacted today.
Yeah.
Larger companies have a little bit more reserve, so it lasts a little bit longer time. Before they have more resources to put to it, they can get loans. They can, they have other resources, but the small businesses, they can't work for a week with no customers.
I have at least, I want to say it was 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 4 is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 of us. 13 and maybe 14, give or take, or maybe even 15 right now, totally out of working. Other stylists like me that work in the same area where I work at and stuff like that, because we rent our own private suites and stuff. You can rent a small suite, you can rent a bigger suite. So we have a lot of girls and guys. Everybody out of work. And in the process, we all talk with each other. Everybody is asking what next to do, what next to do, what next to do. This is amazing, guys. This is so scary. So, guys, excuse me. Oh, the hot sauce.
Hot sauce got you.
So, guys, don't forget. I always like to tell you guys, go on down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. You subscribing keeps us doing what we're doing here, bringing great content to the channel. So we appreciate you guys when you go like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, I just want to bring this point out, honey. There's a lot of us who are talking with each other, and a lot of them are scared. The government said they're probably going to give us 1,000. We heard 1,002. We heard some people say 2,000. We heard all sorts of figures, and it's like everyone is saying we're hearing this little chatter, but we're not sure. So my thing, are they going to do anything to help the general public, or are they not going to do? Because listen to me, let me tell you right this minute, I am a real straightforward shooter girl. If they're not going to help us, I'm going to try to see how much times I can book clients to get the job done. I'm just telling you the truth. Because, I mean, if I don't do this, I am going to go under. And I understand they say social distancing. Because I still have a few clients who will come on in to get their hair done. I know that.
So here's the dilemma.
Yeah.
They're working on the bill. So the most recent iteration, or what's rumored to be on the bill, is that they want to send direct checks to people. Direct checks. Depend on who you ask. They say one payment. Some people say 2 payments.
You better hurry. Honey, listen to me. I went in to Walmart. You went with me. Was it that day you went to Walmart with me? Guys, I never saw the shelves so empty. Hear me out, guys. You know, normally you see all the papers and stuff, and then you look higher up on top, you see the extras on top. There wasn't even no extras on top. There wasn't even no extras.
No extras to be had.
Honey, listen. I look across the aisle, and from one part to the other, you can literally see the sodas on the opposite side. The forks and spoons, and when you look through the whole aisle and the opposite side total, you could see Normally you could never know that. Oh, that was sodas and pop and on the opposite side you literally can see straight over because they have nothing in the whole shelf. Empty. Rice, potatoes, food, baby, milk, things that we normally need to get by. Oh my God. So what is the government doing? What is the government really doing? I'm just so scared, baby. I mean, I'm very concerned. I should say that, not scared. I'm concerned. I am concerned.
Everybody is. It's scary. We don't know what's going on. So the intent is there. The talk is there that they say they want to help workers, the average American. They want to put money in people's hands.
Maybe the average workers need the help now.
They need the help now.
The average workers need the help because can I tell you, in about a week's time from now, rent is coming. Some people, you know, we all schedule ourselves like this week is for rent, this week prior was for bills. So the week that probably went was for bills. This week that you would have worked for the next 2 weeks that we didn't work would have been rent money. Where is that coming from?
But see, they don't understand because you know what? The work.
What do they don't understand? What do you mean by they don't understand?
They don't understand because they're still getting checks.
Who's
They're still getting paid. The senators and the lawmakers that are making the bill, they're still getting paid regardless.
Really?
So it's not real to them. They can't. I mean, they talk about they understand and that they're for the working people and my constituents say this and I understand this but at the end of the day they're getting paid. They're not in jeopardy of not paying rent or not. So there's no fire under their behinds to make it happen.
To expedite it.
It's
not, guys, I don't mean to bring this topic to my channel, but I'm just saying this is very prevalent today. Because I hear my friends and us talking and be like, one of my girlfriends come in, she said to me, girl, I don't know how I pay my rent. This week, which is the last week in March, and the second to last week, she said that was her rent. That was her rent money. And she got sent home. She working a bar. Plus she got really good tips. Here, she got sent home. She's not even working. So she's like, I don't even know where am I going to get my rent. Guys, this thing had me kind of heated because I feel like there's no resolution and there's the dancing around and the dancing around and the dancing around. This is no time to dance around.
They're dancing around because you know everyone has an agenda and they want to try to put all these extra things that they've been trying to fight for years to put in there. It's not the time to debate this.
Right.
The time is let's get some money in people's hands before people start getting
evicted and
scared.
I mean, even though they say how you cannot get evicted. Can you get evicted or can you not get evicted? Which is it?
There's even questions about that because I think it's really just mortgage owners. But what about all the renters?
Like private renting.
Yeah, if you're renting from somebody, you're not a mortgage holder.
Hear me out, guys. We coming to the end of our meal. And this conversation could go on and on and on. I don't want to drag it on for too long. Hear me out. We gotta begin to speak up to some degree because we need help. And for anybody who may watch this video and they look outside here, we need help. And if you guys can come together real quickly, put something in place, we will appreciate it. I'm speaking to my senators, and I'm speaking to all those who are in charge, who can call the shots. We need help. I literally closed my business, and can I tell you, I have to pay rent every month. If I don't pay rent, what happened? Okay,
well,
guys.
It's a wrap.
I just want to say, like I oftentimes say, I don't want to go on and on because this is a heated conversation. I want you guys to go down below, and the food is already done. Like, it was good, right, baby? Did you enjoy my baby?
Yeah.
Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. I hope you guys appreciate the dialogue here. I thank you so much for coming and seeing what we're doing here at Pollys World. And we're going to keep on bringing you great content. Guys, whoever is listening, help the people out. We need help. I also want to send a little bit of a warning out, or a little bit of a just, guys, stay home, stay out of the general public, protect yourself, hand sanitize, wash, do what they're asking the CDC and the federal, they're asking us to do. Let us comply so that we can get rid of this, because are they honest, at the end of the day, we really just need to get back to work.
That's it.
That's the truth.
That's the truth.
Stay inside, let us do what we're supposed to do so we can get over this curve, because this is horrible. Love you guys. Take it easy, as I like to say. Love is sweet, love is kind. This is good.
Stay safe, y'all.
Bye.